Dear student, welcome to DWPD lecture session. Unit number 2, basic building block of PHP, and my current topic is get type function, set type function, and concept of typecasting. Objective of today's lectures are: we will discuss about various variable handling function like get type function and set type function. We will also discuss about the concept of typecasting. So let's start with the get type function. So first of all, what is get type function? It is a function which is used to get the data type of a variable. Syntax: get type function, and in the bracket we have to pass variable name. Example, in PHP script, $a is equal to 10. It is an integer type of variable. In PHP, no need to write any data type because it is a loosely type of language. Now we are going to print data type of a $a. So we are using echo function for that, and get type $a will return data type of $a variable. So echo get type $a. It will return data type of a variable. Now complete your script and output is integer. Now set type function. It is used to set the data type of a variable. It will always return Boolean value. If your variable is set successfully to the specific data type, then it will return 1, means true. Otherwise, it will return 0, means false. Syntax: name of function. In the bracket, as an argument, we are passing two parameters. First is variable name and second is new data type which we want to set. For example, in PHP script, here we are setting a data type of a as an integer. A is not declared, so by default it will consider as a 0. Echo get type of $a, echo $a. Here we are going to print value of $a. In second statement we are going to print data type of $a. Now complete the script. So output is like this: integer and 0, because here we are printing a data type of $a and then after value of $a. Now typecasting. So typecasting concept is used to change the data type of a variable temporarily. Casting produces a copy of an existing variable and it will changes the data type of newly created variable. The data type of existing variable remain as it is. Syntax: $new variable is equal to data type $old variable. This is new data type for a variable. Example, in PHP script, a is equal to 10. It is an integer type of variable. Now $b is our new variable is equal to, this is new data type for $a. So float and $a. Now we are going to print data type of $a now. So we are using get type of function. So echo get type $a. Now we are printing data type of variable b also. Close your script and output is integer for $a. A is 10. So its data type is integer. In second statement, output is double because b is float. So it will consider as a maximum size double. So it will return as a double. Now we will see it practically. So in htdocs, create one file. So first we will see practical of get type function. So in PHP script, first we are declaring variable a is equal to 10. So A is having 10 value, means it is a integer type of data. Now echo get type of $A. If suppose we are taking one more data, $B, $B. Suppose B is character type of data or string type of data. PPMP Polytechnic. It is string data. Now we are printing data type of B also. Get type and $B. Close the script. Now save your file. Extension must be PHP. My web server is already started. Now we will open browser. Our file is p1.php. So integer and string. Here we are breaking the statement. So use br tag. In single quotation we have to use all the text. Now save your file and again run your file. So first $A is equal to 10. It is integer type of data and we are getting the value of $A. So it is integer. In second, $B is equal to string type of data and we are getting the data type of $B. So output will be string. Now example number 2. Use of set type function. So if suppose I'm having one variable $A, but instead of integer it is a string type of data. Now I'm going to change the data type of $A. So for that we have to use set type function. So set type, in the bracket, two arguments are passed in set type function. First argument is name of variable, so $A, and in second argument we have to use new data type. We have to set integer data type for A now. Now we are going to print echo get type of variable. So our variable is $A. Save your file, open browser and run. So it will return integer. So first time A is having string type of data, and second time we are changing the data type of $A as an integer, and whenever we are retrieving this data type using get type function, so we will get integer. Now third concept, typecasting. Suppose I'm having two variable. First variable is $A is equal to 10, and I have to set a new variable for typecast the old variable. For that I'm using B variable. So $B is equal to, now I'm performing typecasting. For that we have to pass new data type. So here I'm using double data type, and then after your variable name, our variable is $A. Here we are using typecasting concept for a variable. First time a is integer type of a variable, and second time it will be as a double type of variable. Now echo get type of $a. So get type of $a means it will retrieving data type of a variable. A is equal to 10. So it will return integer. We are using break tag. In single quotation, we have to use all the tags. Now we will get the data type of b variable. Get type of $b. So it will return double. Now save your file and run in the browser. So first time it will return integer because get type of $a. So it will not change data type of a. Data type of a remain as it is. So data type of a is integer, and we will perform typecasting concept in new variable. It is $b. So after typecasting we will get data type of $b as a double. Thank you.